Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue that many WhatsApp users face. Voice messages not working. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to fix this problem. Let's get started. But before we dive into the solutions, let's briefly understand some common reasons why your WhatsApp voice messages might not be working. Number 1, network connection. A weak or unstable network connection can lead to voice messages problem. Number 2, app outdated. Using an outdated WhatsApp version can cause glitches. Number 3, permission issues. Not granting the app necessary permissions can prevent voice messages. And number 4, storage space. Running out of storage on your phone can affect WhatsApp functionality. So to solve these problems, the first thing you have to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data signal. And number 2, update WhatsApp. Outdated apps can have bugs. So go to your app store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Check for available updates for WhatsApp. Install any updates if needed. Number 3, check your permissions. Ensure that WhatsApp has all the necessary permissions such as microphone and storage access. You can review and change these in your phone settings. Just tap and hold the WhatsApp icon, click on App Info, and there you can see app permissions. So here you can check what permissions you have allowed to use WhatsApp, like camera, contact, files and images, microphone are the basic ones. Step number 4 is clear WhatsApp cache. If you are using an Android device, you can clear WhatsApp cache to resolve issues. Go to your settings and then apps, then manage apps. Among the apps, choose WhatsApp. Then go to storage. There you can see total GB occupied by WhatsApp, app size, user data and cache. At the bottom you can see clear data. Now you can clear cache. And you see there is no cache there. Number 5 is to free up storage space. Running out of storage on your device can hinder app performance. Delete unnecessary files and apps to free up space. Step number 6 is to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart of your phone can fix temporary glitches. Give it a try. After all these, if your WhatsApp didn't work, you can uninstall WhatsApp and then install it. Remember to back up your chat history before doing this. And there you have it. We have covered the most common solutions to fix WhatsApp voice message issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech-related tutorials. If you're still facing problems or having questions, don't hesitate to leave a comments below and we will do our best to assist you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.